My name's Jodi Prue, and I teach at Lakefield College School. We're a school from grades 9 to 12, and I am the ELL teacher there as well as the ELL support person for our tutoring program. I like everything about it. From the first day that I used it, I liked the fact that everything is on one platform, so I can address their grammar needs, their reading needs, their writing needs, their listening needs, speaking needs. Everything's there at the push of a button. It's very user-friendly for both the students and myself, which, as we know as educators, is a big thing. And I also like the IELTS platform as well. Again, everything is there that you need. I don't need to be sourcing out other websites or books. Everything is right there. And again, it's very user-friendly and thorough. It addresses all of the needs for that program as well. They do. Now, when it comes to grammar, they know that they need the help. And what they like is that I can interact with them. If I'm doing an online Zoom meeting for some of our international kids that I start with in the summer, that is very effective. They like they like the fact that I can give feedback too. So when I'm doing the marking, the little blue bubbles, when I'm correcting things, they like that they can go back and see immediately where they've gone wrong. And they like to the progression of the scaffolding of the lessons. And again, the user friendliness of it. Just, so if we can save time for our students when they're trying to get through these programs, they really appreciate it. So then everything's individualized for them, which is another thing I love about the platform. Student A's program will be completely different from student B, and it meets their individual needs, which is so important for these students. It's saving time because we can immediately see where their strengths are and where their weaknesses are. It's all geared towards each child. I'm not having to sort through lessons and see, okay, this student needs help in the present perfect. Well, this student needs help in the past continuous. It is there for me thanks to your platform. We are able to support our ELL students individually. We are able to better support them. We can help them throughout their whole, if they're there for the full high school years, we're able to support them with the Off2Class program in that way. If they just need a couple of months of support. So it's all about the support. We are able to support them fully, and I must say the key word is individually. I have tried some other different platforms, and this one is the best. It's the most user-friendly, and the individualization of it is what is the key to me. Customer service has been exceptional right from the first day. As I said, I am one who asks tons of questions because I need to know. And because I'm accountable to these students, I need to know what I'm doing. And this was my first year using it, like last year. At the hit of the support button, if I needed to ask a question, it was immediately, usually within a few hours, answered. And your support team would always check in to make sure that if I had any other questions. So I never felt alone, and I always felt supported. Anybody that is a school where they have international students, to definitely give Off2Class a try. You will be extremely happy.